All right, here we go for the next project. I'm not very good at before shots, but this is a two-piece buffet. So this is the bottom of it, and I'll show you the top. I'll just show you in here as well too. So have a look in here. It's got those annoying hinges on it that just are self-closing, but there's, look at all this, it's all nicely stained and polished in here, and this is a shelf. So you can get it up here. So there you go. Shelf sits in there nicely. It's all nice and clean in here, so there isn't that much work to do. Alright, so here we go. This is actually in my shed. I'm not going to get it out because I'm going to do the bottom piece first. This has actually got glass in it. It's got glass shelves. It's got a nice back on it. So, don't know whether you can see in here. So, I don't know what this is, whether it's just a vinyl wallpaper or something. And look up here. It's got two lights. They don't work. So, glass in the side, glass in the doors, and there's glass shelves here. One there and one there. Hopefully I've got both of them. And so what we'll try and do is restore this.